Hi guys, good morning to one and all. This is G Penchla. I am studying third BTech in Ashankara Institution of Technology. Today, my Tech Talk presentation in this subject is Objective Oriented Analysis and Design. Topic is UML Architecture. Different types of parts including of the UML architecture. First of all, what is the architecture of UML? Architecture refers to the different and perspective forms which is a complex systems can be viewed and visualizing and specifying, constructing and documenting a software and intensive systems. The system viewed from the number of perspectives. The architecture of a software and intensive system is best described by the five views: use cases and design view and process view, implementation view and deployment view. Come to the part of use case view means system as seen by the user and analysts and testers. Design view and classes and interfaces are collaborations that make up the systems. Process view, active classes and threads are using the process view and implementation view. And first the compare these systems. Deployment view, nodes of the systems and C and SW resides and each view is a protections. This the organization and structure of the system focused on the particular aspect of the systems. And see this diagram we can easily understanding of the what are the views implemented in the UML architecture. First view is design view and implementation view, process view and deployment view, and middle of the view is use case view and use case. Each of these five views can stand alone. The different stakeholders can focus on the issues of the system's architecture the most concerns them. And stakeholders means a person who involved the development of the project. That person is called as a stakeholders. Software development life cycle. In software development lifecycle means the unified modeling language is involved in each phase of the software development lifecycle. The UML developer process is use case driven. The use case driven means the use cases are used as a primary and artifact for establishing the described behavior of the system, for verifying and validating the system's architecture, for testing and communicating among the stakeholders of the project. Here, stakeholder means a person who involved in the project to develop the to involve in the development of the project is called stakeholders. And architecture centric means the system's architecture is used to a primary artifact and conceptualizing, constructing, managing and involving the system under development. Next part is incremental and incremental and iterative model. In incremental and iterative model means and an iterative process is deals with the one that involved managing the stream of executable releases, and one that involves the continuous integration of the system architecture to produce these releases, and with each new release and embodying the incremental improvements of if over the other body of the incremental software development life cycle. See this tablematical representation we can easily understanding of the development of the development software life cycle. Process, workflow and business modeling requirements, analysis and design, implementation, test, deployment and supporting workflows, configuration and change management and project management environments. Different types of inception space are there. And what is these spaces including in software development lifecycle means inception, elaboration, construction and transition. Here inception means it is a starting stage of the project or beginning stage of the project, and it is a requirements plus planning is called inception. The combination of communication and planning is called inception based. Elaboration means the combination of communication and constructing base is called elaboration. Elaboration and transition is nothing but last space of the software development life cycle is called a transition. Construction is nothing but a construction phase we can performing of a and coding and testing. Those two things combining in construction space. and construction space. And inception is the first space of the process when the send idea or development of a brought up the point of beginning the at least interactively. That means simply say that in inception means the starting state of the project is called inception. Elaboration, the second space of the process is called elaboration. The product version, it is the architecture are defining in the space the system required are articulated statement to the space evaluated and criteria by specifying particular functional or non-functional behavior, and each providing the basis of the testing is called a inception space. Construction means so it is a long space of the project is called a construction. Constructions we can including of the what are the mistakes we can there that can by using the coding and testing permit remove it, we can finally we can construct the entire data program will be there in construction space. Transition, the fourth space of the process when the software is turned into the hands of the community and really does not software development process here. Transition means we can performing of the and we can perform the user community, and releases are added also there. And it is a brief explanation about the architecture of UML and software development lifecycle. Thank you friends, I am given opportunity. Thank you.